if I put like $500 somewhere, I will get $1 or $2 per day each
Cool.
pool.
So probably
So
about
it's about that.
0.3% per day
Yeah.
ish. Yeah. Yep.
I don't rebalance too much. Today I was collecting actually my fees right now,
Nice.
and I haven't finished yet, but I'm seeing a lot of volumes.
Yes, a lot of volume
And
right now.
yeah, because when I went to the call with David about a week ago, he was saying that next week will be the big week. So for me, it was like, okay, I have to make sure my position are good for the next 10 days. So I made the effort last weekend. And this week, I wasn't looking at much at the numbers. And I don't know how, but I ended up on one of your videos.
Uh-oh, that's
And
dangerous.
I didn't know anything about DeFi just before I start watching your videos. But when I hear you first, I mean, the body language and anything seems different. I mean, it seems more honest.
Okay.
And you know, on the internet, there is a lot of scams, so you have to be careful. And I don't know, just I just feel some of your videos were just very true. So to be honest, I'm before I signed up in the UIG,
Yeah.
I made some research about you to know
Good.
who you are,
Good.
and
You should.
everything still seems too much. So for me, I say, okay, let's try the UIG. And if it's a scam, it's a good scam then.
Yeah,
So
you'll learn how to scam. You'll get your $97 worth. You'll learn how to
yes,
do it too.
yeah. So and when I started, I was hooked. I just really love the way it's gamified. So right now, I'm really looking for the next step because you know I'm a competitor, so I want
Yes.
to go to the next level and I
Yes, you
want to
do.
progress.
I love that.
So I'm very listening to all the advices. So take your time, don't rush, listen to the old guys, and everything. So
Good.
I was to say the truth. I was really how to say that. I didn't think I would make progress that fast.
Cool. What is
So for
fast
me, it's
fast?
really discovering because I started I am in the UAG. It's a month now, just 1 month.
Oh, it's only 1 month. I didn't know that.
So it's only one
Okay.
month. The first week I learned anything. I was like a sponge, and I went on the internet and learned everything about DeFi.
Yeah.
And because at first for me it wasn't making sense. You just put some money and you get some more money. But as you were saying, we are the bank now, like sort of. So
We're
small
providing a
banks,
service. Yep.
yeah, it's a service, a small
Yep.
service, but it's still a service.
Yep.
It's needed. So,
Yep.
and if you do it properly and smoothly over time, yeah, I understand the compound interest. So
So cool.
I, so now I'm still learning a lot,
Yes.
but
To be
making
honest,
good
man, I mean,
progress.
people, I,
So and I see that the Web3 I wasn't understanding well before
got it.
your lesson, but now I understand the meaning of Web3, and
Cool.
I think it's a very big thing. It's bigger than just DeFi. It's like a
Yep.
new internet. So
Yep.
for me, it's very interesting. And
So happy you see that. I wish more people saw it past just the, hey, I'll yield farm, make some money, build a portfolio, whatever. Like that's cool. Like money is cool. I'm not gonna not agree with that. But to me, if I'm like, if I have a roof over my head, if I have water, if I have food, I'm like, I'm pretty good. Like I'm pretty happy. Like I feel secure and safe. I've had $10 in my bank account and I've had $500,000 in my bank account. And like honestly, as long as I can eat that day and go to sleep, I'm good. So the money obviously motivates me, but beyond that, I freaking love learning. And I think Web3, give it 5 years, those who are positioned early will be able to provide really useful services. Maybe in the future, we'll be able to create agencies, businesses, literally change their lives. again, I believe that because I believe in always learning, and then you can turn that into some useful skill to actually provide a service or value. So I think you see it the same way.
Two things made me understood the strong power of crypto is that I've watched like a documentary about the Bitcoin creation, and for me it was the first revelation. And then after that, because I'm very curious, as I say, I'm always watching what is happening in different countries, and I see a lot of problem with the currencies going very, very deep sometimes. If you can see in Cuba or any country like that. And what is funny is when you watch other documentaries about how people get through the struggle of the currency problem, they buy crypto.
Yeah.
So they get around with a different way. So and it's very accessible.
Yep.
It's not controllable. So I mean, everything is done to be the future. No, but it's true. I experience it in sport, in business, and everything. If
Yes.
you do the right thing every day, you cannot lose.
You cannot lose.
Yeah. Well, you
I
can
love
lose
that.
for a time, but at the end you will win
Yes.
anyway. I'm very, very good. I want just to thank you, all your team, what you're doing. It's very, really, very cool. So I really enjoyed it.